Hey, it's Patrick from J&P Cycles. Let's talk about Icon's new version of their old variant called the Variant Pro. And right away, you can see it carries the same general style, but they've sharpened it up quite a bit and actually upgraded features and still kept this entry-level variant at about $350. Graphically, it'll go up from there, but it's basically gonna start you right at $350. So some of the changes in the shell are it went from 2 shell sizes to 3 shell sizes, meaning extra small and small, or 1 shell size, medium, large, or another, and then XL and up is yet another. And the fitment is slightly tweaked. Instead of being a standard kind of oval, it's more of an intermediate oval, which will fit more people. And you can see some of the venting changes right away. On the old variant, you had these kind of exterior ones up here on the visor, and now they've moved them down inside with kind of a, I actually like the new vents a little bit more. I think they're easier to hit with a gloved hand. It's a big O thumb or something can grab it, and you have another one right here. The other vent on the chin here is actually inside. On the old one here, it's outside. This one, it's inside. And the helmet, to me, looks more compact, and I think that it actually is. Depending on what size you get, it's gonna be 3 or 4 ounces lighter than it used to be. The shell is gonna be Icon's interlaced fiberglass, Spectra, and carbon fiber. And here we have the construct version, which shows you all of that kind of overlaying going on in there. On the old one, the visor removal was kind of wonky here. You had to unclip these in here to get to this shield. This one's much, much easier. Up here on the top, we just press a button and this rolls forward and this thing just unclips right off. From there, you can change the shield, but I will say this isn't what I would call a true adventure touring helmet. It's more of a urban or sport street kind of helmet, because you really can't wear goggles with this because you can't run this without the shield. When you take this off, it would leave a gap in here. But we'll put this back on. Pretty slick removal and installation. So not really a true adventure touring helmet, but as you can see, I use mine off-road plenty. But back to the venting. The other thing you're gonna see right away that's different from the old one is this little cutout here. And back here, this is more like the Airframe Pro from the redesign there. And here, this is actually a vent. If you look on Icon's graphic, they show this venting. It vents up through the EPS, and then you have your exhaust vents back here, which are static. There's no opening and closing the exhaust vents, but you do have intake, 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 and a slight intake here. That's this little cutouts for, and everything exhaust out the back. So pretty slick venting from Icon. Also on the inside is their Hydradry liner system, which works really, really well. Very good moisture wicking liner. But the other big upgrade is you can tune the inside of this helmet. So they offer different pad combinations you can buy. I think they're about 50 bucks. So you can swap in and out cheek pads, so on and so forth, kind of tune the fit of your helmet, which is new for Icon's variant and an awesome upgrade. Icon continues to upgrade their helmets, in my opinion, move into like a little bit more rare air. I can't wait to try the Variant Pro here. Really, really love the Variant. Great helmet. Great job by Icon. Can't wait to check them out. As always, if you have any comments or questions, comment in the comment section below. Tell your friends, go ride your motorcycle.